Hey guys, Marty the Gathering Place. How you guys all doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Just before starting the video, I'll just say a big thank you to the sponsor of the channel, GameKeeper Online. You'll see the link in the description below. Go check that out. On your checkout, use my promo code Marty23 and get a 5% discount on your purchase. Please note, this only works for Canadian users only. Today we're July 6th. Yesterday was my birthday. Actually got another gift from my dad. Bought me a Lord of the Ring Tales of Middle-earth draft booster. So that's what we're gonna crack. If you've seen the previous video, yesterday actually got a box from my girlfriend. Probably gonna see a couple of videos of birthday gifts, stuff I'm gonna get. I know I have a couple of buddies that saying they sent me stuff and probably gonna arrive or gonna give it to me in person. So box topper. We'll open this maybe in the middle of the video. So this is a draft box, 36 packs. I prefer the draft box. Been playing so long. Back in the day, there was only one kind of box, and that was it. So, also, shout out to DJ Long, Purple Drink. Oh, that's good. So let's get cracking. Hope this box is as good as the first one. First one was pretty good. Commons. Barad-dûr is our first rare. Full of common. The ring that tempts you. I like the mechanic. I did a draft and a pre-release so far. I feel it's a good mechanic. The Battle of Bywater. Regular land. I like the map lands. That I feel that's really cool. Especially being a big Lord of the Ring fan. That you're able to see the locations. Oh, we have Delighted Appling. And a token. That's something I usually do, but for this set, because it's so nostalgic, I'm actually collecting the base set, not Galt Arts and stuff like that, but basically just the base set. Well, we have Goldberry River Daughter. I think I'm missing about, probably gonna get the cards I need here, but I was missing about 30 cards total, so let's get over. Rare is King of the Oathbreaker. Well, common. Back in the day, I used to collect a full set of every set. I think I had from Revise and up to when the first Zendikar came out. Oh, Mythic. Sauron the Dark Lord. And after a while, I realized I had so much money laying around of like some cards being so much expensive, and being just in the binder to say, hey, yeah, I got the complete set of Odyssey. And then you look at the individual cards and, okay, this is worth $20, this is worth so much, and blah. A rare display of power that I just said, nah, never mind that, I'll just collect my playsets I need for the cards I want, and actually undid all my playsets I had, and actually buy listed what I didn't need, and actually helped me to get some other cards I needed. Oh, a Nazgul. That's good. It's like $20 Canadian. Our rare is Gimli Morphle Avenger. Nice. Full common. Actually, I'm missing the regular Nazgul. I numbered 100. That's 3. That one was 335. Not the one I need. I'll probably try to trade with one of my buddies that maybe got. Shalab, Child of Ungoliant. The big spider from Lord of the Rings. Tell me in the comments, guys, did you or did you not watch or read the books? I'm just curious. Rivendell, good hit. I read the first 2 books. Didn't finish the third one, but I watch the movies like multiple times. And we get Rangers of Italian. Uncommon foil. So yeah, there's some good cards, some new abilities, some new effects while playing that you. Oh, okay, that's how it works and with the magic rules. Oh, Gandalf the White Showcase. Wow, that's amazing. Can you be the normal one? I need the normal one for myself. Because I'm not gonna collect all the alt arts and stuff like that to go do a full set of the series, because that's just gonna be crazy expensive. So we got a Moria Marauder. Nice. Common foil. So we're going to do the box topper after the middle row. See if we got something good. First box I opened actually got a good box topper. I had the Caracas. Press the enemy. Nice. Frodo Sauron's Bane. Foil uncommon. I was looking online to see if, because this set is actually a modern set legal, to see if any of the decks really change or any cards really got implemented in decks. And I didn't see much Flame of Honor. I know right now there's not a lot of big modern tournaments. I know next season qualifiers it is modern. But I tried to see on a couple sites and didn't see much implementation of Mary Inquisite of Rohan. Nice. Maybe give it a couple, at least a month, and we'll start maybe seeing some modifications. The Shire. Foil Gandalf. Uncommon. I know the white card, Reprieve, it's pretty awesome. I wasn't sure how the mechanic was working, because it bounces the land in your hand. Sorry. Pippin, Guard of Citadel, the spell, not the spell back into your hand. Well, but also while doing that, it's like you're not playing the card. So actually, I had it done to me on Tuesday at the pre-release. I went, and I was like all kind of confused. Lost Isle Calling. So, Horn of the Mark. Foil. Common. I'm eager to see what the box offers. Hope it's a good card. Doors of Doom. Just taking a sip here. If you've been out there today, it's crazy hot. I know. It's like the last couple of weeks. Wow. You be Entwood. That's a mythic. Nice. Last pack of the middle row. We'll open the box topper after that. So far, we got some good pulls. I'll tell you, like I did the first video, I want to tell you how many mythics we got actually. Rare is Libolia Sackville Baggins. And Mithril Coat Foil. Nice. Oh, true. Box topper. I don't like that the box topper pack opens so easily. Like I just pull in the corner and it just like undone by itself. Here we go. So what do we have? Oh my God. Path of the Dead, Cavern of Souls. Wow, that's an amazing box topper. Wow. So happy. Let's put that here. That's like, wow. I do have my 4 Cavern of Souls already, but an LOTR like this, that would be spicy in the commander deck. The rain goes south. Wow, really happy about that box topper. So, in 2 boxes, two decent, like one very good and the one a decent box topper. Press the enemy foil. No, okay, it's not foil. It's just the way the camera was looking at it. I thought that was foil. Next pack. Really like this set. A little bit expensive. Me in Canada, it's $250 a box. Frodo Sauron's Bane. Foil Segrat Look Bearer. Next around the corner is Commander Masters. Now that's gonna be expensive. And so far not a lot of spoilers. They revealed the cards of the 4 commanders and some other cards. Elrond, Master of Healing. That's a good card. Actually got it, played it against me at the pre-release. I was kind of mad because every time one of your creature it becomes a target, he gets a +1, and so the guy was like constantly targeting his stuff, and it got super big, and I was like, really? Oh, we got a Mythic Last March of the Ents. Nice. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This set is pumping Mythics. Was like that for the first box also. Kind of surprised. Usually in a normal box you do get some Mythics, but not that like that. Shelob again, Child of Ungoliant. Full common. What's also fun about is those. I'm not sure how they're called the borderless cards. Some of them makes a background that overlaps scene with another card, so that's really kind of cool. Mithril Coat, nice. Like basically the 4 cards that you get in the bundle. So like that's an example. I think like I know this one. There's 3 cards that pulls together. Like their one overlaps a fight, and that's really kind of cool. Reprieve, so broken. Doors to Durn again. I think I have 4 now of Reprieve. Like, I want to play a set of that. That's so good. Especially in white. Returning a spell. Ooh. Forge anew. And press the enemy foil now? I jinxed it, you know? I told earlier it was foil. Actually wasn't foil. They listened to me. If you listen to me, then give me the 1 ring foil. I don't think that's gonna happen, but if yes. Aragon Company Leader. Nice. 2 packs left. I think it's a really good box from what I can see. plus an amazing box topper. So, ooh, Palantir of Orctac. That's Saruman's ball. Last pack. Let's see if we can hit a big one. Oh, Legolas to end. That's not bad. Yeah. Got Legolas at last. Don't want to see how many mythics we pulled. I think the first box was 6, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the box opener. Some good pulls, so very good pulls. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Leave a comment. I enjoy reading what you guys write. On that note, guys, peace, and we'll see each other real soon.
Forge the fire!